Thank you for your interest in our VariRef, the newly developed laboratory refractometer from SCHMIDT & HAENSCH. This video will help you to start the VariRef and perform the necessary tests before measuring a sample. Start the VariRef. The switch is located on the back side. Wait until the device has completely booted. Our VariRef is also available with an integrated data management system. To log into the system, enter your username and password. Before verifying the instrument, make sure that the sample room is clean. Fill the mineralized water into the sample room in order to zero the instrument. To verify the proper functioning of the SCHMIDT & HAENSCH refractometer, allow the Peltier temperature control to settle at 20 degrees Celsius. Then set the device to 0. The instrument is now ready for measuring the sample. Pull the sample into the syringe. Make sure that no air bubbles are drawn in. Connect the syringe with the lower lock system and slowly press the sample into the instrument. Start the measurement. Disconnect the syringe and discard the sample. Rinse the system with water to clean the prism. Before starting the next measurement, check if the prism is clean. SCHMIDT & HAENSCH, excellence in precision measurement.